it's Angie from Canterbury Trails Farm, and this is just a short, quick tip. If you buy a lot of candles, they have these kind of tops on them, wood, glass, whatever. I got some quick tips for you. First of all, the wood ones are great because you're talking about a solid chunk of wood. So save them. You never know. If you have wood siding, maybe you need a wood to plug a hole. Maybe you need to plug a hole on something. If you're out on the homestead, a chunk of wood, a round chunk of wood, can patch a lot of holes, plug a lot of holes, whatever. Just throw them in a box and save them. You never know. Sometimes if you're drilling or you're cutting something small, it makes a nice little solid cutting board type surface. But that's not what my main thing is. We'll get to that. Also, do you buy the glass ones with the seal on them? Save them. Most of them will fit a quart jar. You can't can with these, but now you just put them in there, and you probably had to throw the candle part away because you can't get all that wax and fragrance out of there. But now you've got a nice lid that you can pop on a quart jar, and you can put dry products in there for storing. That's a good hint. So what do I use these for? All of these wood ones have, the metal ones too, but you got to work a little harder on the metal ones. You can pull out off these rings. Sometimes there'll be a little bit of glue and you can just soften them up. Sometimes you can soak them in water, but they'll pop off. And now you have rubber bands. They work really good for, I've slipped them down over tomato plants to hold things, or you just use them for, like I've got to hold this, we use part of this pasta mix and I just pop one over the top of it. And they're really, they're not super stretchy. They do about double what they are. So they're for smaller things, but they're thick and they don't break like rubber bands do. So they're really good. This one's a little springier. So it's, instead of throwing away the whole candle, save your wood lids, save your glass lids, pull off your seals, and you got rubber bands. So that's a quick way to recycle and keep some of that stuff from landing in that landfill and use it for useful things around your house. Thanks for joining us. This has been Angie from Canterbury Trails Farm.